Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing slash try on haul or makeup review, makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. I actually have two boxes to share with you guys. So we are going to be unboxing not only the November Boxycharm, but we're also going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium, which is this big bad boy. This one right here. It doesn't even fit on the screen. So like I said, this is the Boxycharm Premium. This one is $35 per month, and this one has a retail value of over $175 inside the box. $175. Now with this box, you are guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size luxury products, which is an A++. With a premium box, we're also going to be getting customization, which means we're going to get little, what are they called? We're going to get little complexion swatch packs. Try saying that. That is a mouthful. That way we can get better customization. Oh my god, I cannot speak. Better customization to better match our skin tones, which is another plus. Also, now they are giving us a choice. So for every Boxycharm, you can choose one product that you can customize, pick out on your own, whatever it is, you pick. And of course, if you have the Boxyluxe, which is the biggest box, you get to do 1 to 3 items every 3 months. I think those are all the updates that I wanted to give you guys as far as the Boxycharm Original and the Boxycharm Premium. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below which is your box, which one do you have? Are you going to be upgrading to the bigger one? Because I totally think it's worth it. So with that said, we're going to jump in between each box to see what products we have. We're going to take a look what we can work with, what we like, what we don't like, and obviously, like, I'm really happy with my box. I loved everything. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Grab your box, grab your palettes, grab your little brochitas, and let's get glam. This box is so huge. I don't know where to put it. So I'm first going to reach into my Boxycharm Premium, and let's see, the first thing that I'm going to take is this Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. Now this is a vegan, alcohol-free, and multitasking toner to keep redness at bay that can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, and a quick refresh throughout the day. That is pretty cool. I've heard so much about this brand, but I've never personally used it, so let's open this baby right up. So opening it up, and this is what the spray looks like. I love the packaging. It's super cute. It does have like a silicone grip at the bottom, and I don't know, it's just cute to look at. So let's just spray our whole face. That scent is very yummy. It smells like roses, but it also smells like coconuts. Coconut Rose Toner, yeah. So for skincare, we have this Cypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This is an antioxidant dew that lavishes the skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. This has an MSRP of $90. That is way more than what you even pay for the box, so that just makes it amazing on its own. I love getting skincare products because I love testing them out. So this is what the little bottle looks like. I have tried it already. I did try it when I got my box. I always open it to make sure that I do my makeup according to whatever we're going to get. And I have used this, I think, twice already, and I really like it. I think this is a product that I would actually go out and purchase if I run out. And we're going to jump back into the Boxycharm Premium. We have this QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Cream. So this one, let's see, it's a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes. This has an MSRP of $150. That is a whole lot of money. I'm just going to grab whatever I have on here. And I'm just going to dot it on the eyes, or around the eyes, not in the eyes. You don't want to put this in your eyes. Oh, okay. That feels super soft. I've actually been needing a new eye cream for the morning time, and hopefully we like her so she can stick around. Because, honey, $150, you better work. Reaching into my Boxycharm Premium one more time, I am going to take the Dragun Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. This is pretty much a color corrector. I've never used it, and I've never used any of Nikita's products, but I'm not going to lie, I've been very curious to try it. I personally like to color correct, especially when I have little like manchitas like this that you need to color correct, because sometimes they'll peek through your foundation and your concealer. And I have a little bit of like dark circles underneath the eyes just because insomnia is not very kind to me. This one retails for $25. This is light to full coverage, and I believe pretty much any skin tone and skin type can utilize this. This is a Boxycharm 5-piece brush set. Introducing your new favorite brush set. This Boxycharm branded 5-piece set was created to help you achieve a flawless look, ideal for precise placement and seamless blending of all your go-to beauty products. These oval-shaped and ultra-soft luxury brushes are hand-crafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. These have an MSRP of $65, guys. I'm already like shook by the box. They come in this really cute bag. Like, I would actually keep this to like place them in there if you travel or anything. You can just pop them in there and go. So these are the brushes. Again, this is a 5-piece set. This one looks like it would be perfect for concealing, so I'm going to use it for that. This one, I guess you can use it for maybe highlighting or something. This one would be perfect for snatching up your cheekbones. This one is really pretty and perfect for foundation. And then I'm going to guess that this one is like a blending brush. So let's take a little bit of that Nikita concealer. I'm only going to take a bit. Okay, so I saw Manny MUA and he had the same issue where the concealer and the cream, they just don't work together. It's kind of breaking up and balling up here. Do you guys see how it's like inconsistent? So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off really quick because I don't want this to mess up my foundation or my concealer. And then we can go back and just reapply a little bit more of the concealer. Thanks. Okay, let's try this again. I've already cleaned the skin. I'm going to apply, actually, I'm just going to do one eye at a time. Oh yeah, much better. I should have applied a cream because now, like, underneath my eyes, it's super dry, but that's okay. Going back into my OG Boxycharm, we have here this Undercover Lightweight Concealer. This comes in 4 different shades. And this is by the brand Pretty Vulgar. We have received a few items from Pretty Vulgar, and I actually really enjoy them. So this is what it looks like, and I think that's pretty cool for future reference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my foundation, and we're actually going to use this brush to apply the foundation to see how well it does at making it look nice and soft. So let me go ahead and grab my foundation, and then we can buff it in. I'm having some issues blending the foundation into the skin. I feel like I'm being so hard on it, and it's not because of the brush itself. It's just I'm not used to a brush like this, and so I don't know, it's kind of weird because I'm so used to like stippling into the skin, and with this one you have to like buff it in, and I'm not used to that. So let me just finish this up really quick, and then I will look at my skin up close to see how well it did as far as like blend. I think I'm going to go in with this second shade for my concealer. This is the lightest, the second, and then the third and the fourth. So I think I'm going to go in with the second shade, and let's see what we get. Okay, this is really tiny. I don't think I'll finish doing my concealer with this. So I'm just going to... Oh, yikes. I think I applied too much. Okay, I'm actually impressed with this little brush and the concealer. They both are blending like really nicely into the skin. I actually just noticed that in my Boxycharm, I also received the 2-piece brush set. So obviously I'm not going to need this, so I'm going to do a quick little giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys are interested in getting these. We're going to skip the whole blush thing, and I am going to take the Glow Extreme. You know what? We're just going to dig into this. We're going to take a little bit of this, pop it right here. Hello? If you guys know how to use these, let me know, because maybe I'm just like clueless and don't know what I'm doing, because I mean, I see it. I see the glow. I see it. I see it. We're just going to put this to the side, and let's go into the Celestial palette. I'm going to go in with a flat brush. I'm going to dig into Lucid Dreams, which is this really pretty matte hot pink, and I'm just going to lay it down. Oh! Next, I'm going to grab Storm Dust, which is this really beautiful like terracotta shade. And I'm just going to lay this right here. Ooh, that is pigmented. Holy cannoli. Once you have it laid down, we're just going to blend. The last shade is Lunar Eclipse, which is this baby right here. These colors on the bottom are just stunning. They're so creamy. They blend like a dream. So we're just going to pack that on to the very top just to help us blend everything. So now let's go in and pop on these lashes, if I can get them to open. To finish off the look, I think I'm going to go in with this color. It might be a little too much with the eye look, but we're going to try it. This is a Dose of Colors limited edition, or it's a like collab, I guess, with Boxycharm. So this is exclusive to Boxycharmers, and this is in the shade Charm. We're just going to apply that to the lips, and let's see. I really like Dose of Colors formula. It's really creamy. That is what the color looks like. It's a very pretty, ooh. This color is like perfect for like Thanksgiving, Christmas, because it's like the red family, but it's almost like a burgundy. I don't know, but I love it. In the Boxycharm Premium, we also have here this lip gloss by Becca. This is the Becca Glow Gloss. It just says to illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. So this also has vitamin E, shea, and Muru Muru butters for soft, supple lips. This has an MSRP of $22. Obviously, I can't use this, but let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that smells super yummy. It's very, very minty, and it has a really pretty glow. I don't know if you guys can see it. That is it, you guys. This is the final look. I am feeling super festive, even though the eyes are like a little bit colorful, but the lip just complemented the eye look so well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing, as well as try-on / makeup tutorial. I would love to know if you guys have the OG Boxycharm, or if you're going to upgrade to the Boxycharm Premium. I really enjoy both boxes. Obviously, you get, you know, to try out more products with the Boxycharm Premium. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.